നമുക്ക് മോഡൽ എക്സാം ഒന്ന് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാം. ഓരോരുത്തർക്കും എത്ര മാർക്ക് കിട്ടുമെന്ന് നോക്കാം അല്ലേ. നമുക്ക് ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് എടുക്കാം. ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നോക്കാം. Choose the incorrect answer. The following are the common points between cooperative society and the capitalistic concern. First one, cooperation and capitalism uses labor and other factors and obtain at a very low price. Second one, both employ executives and pay them well. Third one, both depend on business efficiency. Fourth one, none of the above. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. ഫോർത്ത് ഒൺലി, നൺ ഓഫ് ദ എബവ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനുകൾ പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് നാളെ വരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഓരോ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും ഇങ്ങനെ ചെയ്തു നോക്കാം. ചൂസ് ദ ഇൻകറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. ദ മേജർ ഡിഫറൻസ് ബിറ്റ്വീൻ കോപ്പറേഷൻ ആൻഡ് ക്യാപിറ്റലിസം ആർ. ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ, കോപ്പറേഷൻ ഈസ് ഫോർ പ്രൊട്ടക്ടിംഗ് ദ മെമ്പേഴ്സ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ് വെയർ ആസ് ക്യാപിറ്റലിസം ഈസ് ഫോർ പ്രൊട്ടക്ടിംഗ് ഷെയർ ഹോൾഡേഴ്സ് ഇൻട്രസ്റ്റ്. Second one, in cooperation membership is open but in capitalism membership is restricted. Third one, administration of cooperation is based on democratic principles whereas capitalism it is vested with a few peoples. Fourth one, none of the above. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, ബി, സി, ഡി. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ. ഫോർത്ത് only, none of the above. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answer regarding cooperation and socialism. First one, cooperation and socialism aims at the welfare of the community. Second one, both lay emphasis on distribution of wealth. Third one, both try for eliminating the evil effects of competition. Fourth one, all of the above. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, ബി, സി, ഡി. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ. ഫോർ, ഓൾ ഓഫ് ദ എബവ്. എല്ലാ പ്രസ്താവനകളും ശരിയാണ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the appropriate answer regarding the difference between sole trader business and a cooperative society. First one, the main aim of sole trader business is to make profit whereas cooperative society is to render services to members. Second one, both organization liability is unlimited. Third one, sole trader cannot raise capital by issuing shares whereas cooperative society's capital is raised by issuing shares. Fourth one, all of the above. Option A, B, C, D. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ. 1 and 3, ഒന്നാമത്തേതും മൂന്നാമത്തേതും പ്രസ്താവനകളാണ് ശരിയായിട്ടുള്ളത്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answer from given below statements. First one, the membership pattern of cooperative society are 25% drawn from different families. Second one, cooperative society can raise funds from members. Third one, cooperative society's profit are shared equality among members. Fourth one, all of the above. Option A, B, C, D. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ. all of the above. 3 പ്രസ്താവനകളും ശരിയാണ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Rochdale principles first stage includes the following. First one, open membership. Second one, unlimited interest on share capital. Third one, democratic control. Fourth one, cash trading. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, ബി, സി, ഡി. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ. 1, 3 and 4 only. ഒന്നാമത്തേതും മൂന്നാമത്തേതും നാലാമത്തേതും മാത്രം. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answer. Why Rochdale is called pioneers of cooperative movement? First one, they are responsible for organizing the first permanent successful cooperative store. Second one, they succeeded in giving a definite shape to the cooperative movement. Third one, the individual involved therein were outstanding personalities. Fourth one, their profits are shared equally among members. Option A, B, C, D. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. 1, 2 and 3 only. 1, 2 and 3 only. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. The essential principles of ICA second stage includes the following. First one, open membership. Second one, democratic control. Third one, limited interest on share capital. Fourth one, promotion of education. ഏത് ഓപ്ഷൻ ആണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, ബി, സി, ഡി. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ. 1, 2, 3 only. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. The non-essential principle of ICA second stage includes the following. First one, religious and political neutrality. Second one, selling pure and unadulterated goods. Third one, cash trading. Fourth one, patronage dividend. Option A, B, C, D. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ? 1, 2, 3. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answer. The principles of ICA 1995 includes the following. First one, member economic participation. Second one, autonomy and independence. Third one, education, training and information. Fourth one, cooperation among cooperatives. Option A, B, C, D. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ? 1, 2, 3 ആൻഡ് 4 എല്ലാം ശരിയാണ് അല്ലേ? അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Which are the non-agriculture credit societies in Kerala? First one, Market Fed. Second one, Kerala Fed. Third one, Primary Housing Societies. Fourth one, District Cooperative Bank. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, ബി, സി, ഡി. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ? 1, 2 ആൻഡ് 3. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Which society is organized mainly for providing employment opportunities to unskilled workers in rural areas? ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. ലേബർ കോൺട്രാക്ട് സൊസൈറ്റീസ്. ലേബർ കോൺട്രാക്ട് സൊസൈറ്റീസ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answer. The objectives of RAIDCO are. First one, to supply agricultural implements to agriculturists at reasonable price. Second one, to organize repair and service centers. Third one, to supply of agriculture spare parts and inputs. Fourth one, to organize fruits processing unit. Option A, B, C, D. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ? 1, 2, 3 ആൻഡ് 4. 4 എണ്ണവും ശരി, 4 പ്രസ്താവനകളും ശരിയാണ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answer. Which are the internal sources of service cooperative banks? First one, share capital. Second one, entrance fees. Third one, reserve fund. Fourth one, grants and subsidies from government. Option A, B, C, D. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ? 1, 2, 3. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answers. Which are the objectives of district cooperative banks? First one, to provide loans to affiliated cooperative credit societies. Second one, to arrange for supervision and control of affiliated societies. Third one, to maintain and utilize subsidiary state partnership fund. Fourth one, to open branches of the bank. Option A, B, C, D. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ബി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ? 1, 2, 3 ആൻഡ് 4. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answers. The following are the objectives of PCARDB. First one, to promote economic interest of its members. Second one, to lend on security of fixed assets. Third one, purchase of machinery. Fourth one, to provide loans for small scale industries. Option A, B, C, D. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ? All of the above. എല്ലാം objectives of PCARDB ആണ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answers. The following are the objectives of NAFED. First one, to organize, promote and develop marketing, processing and storage of agricultural products. Second one, distribution of agricultural machinery. Third one, inter and intra-state import and export trade. Fourth one, to undertake marketing research. ഒന്ന് ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, ബി, സി, ഡി. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ? ഓൾ ഓഫ് ദ എബോവ്. 4 പ്രസ്താവനകൾ ശരിയാണ് അല്ലേ? ഒബ്ജക്റ്റീവ്സ് ഓഫ് നാഫെഡ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answers. The power of NCDC includes. First one, advance loans, grants and subsidies to the state government for financing cooperatives. Second one, provide loans and grants directly to the national level cooperative organizations. Third one, participate in the share capital of the national level cooperative organizations. Fourth one, help the long term credit institutions. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, ബി, സി, ഡി. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ? 1, 2, 3 ആൻഡ് 4. 4 പ്രസ്താവനകളും the powers of NCDC ആണ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Which one is the apex development bank in the country for supporting and promoting agriculture and rural development? ഏതാണ്? NABARD. Which one is the apex development bank in the country for supporting and promoting agriculture and rural development? NABARD. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Choose the most appropriate answers. The services offered by NCHF are. First one, guiding state government in the matter of setting up of housing federation. Second one, providing a common forum to member federations to examine problems of housing cooperatives. Third one, assisting housing cooperatives on general insurance. Fourth one, assisting cooperative training colleges in organizing courses are housing cooperatives. Option A, B, C, D. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? Option B ആണ് correct answer അല്ലേ? All of the above. അടുത്ത question. Which one is our country's leading fertilizer producer in the cooperative sector? ഏതാണ്? IFFCO. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Which one is the national level organization of marketing cooperatives in India? Option C ആണ് correct answer. NAFED. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following statements are true about cooperative society audit? First one, cooperative audit is not only financial but also administrative audit. Second one, cooperative society audit is a financial audit, not administrative audit. Or third one, cooperative society audit is a type of non-statutory audit. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ, ബി, സി, ഡി. ഏതാണ്? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. വൺ only. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. The maximum audit fee payable by a general category society will not exceed RS എത്രയാണ്? 1 lakh. ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Which of the following statement are correct? First one, farming society which accept deposit shall and grants loans shall pay audit fee. Second one, Vanida cooperative societies need pay only half the rate of audit fee chargeable. Third one, Apex SCST societies need pay only half the rate of audit fee payable. Option A, B, C, D. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ അല്ലേ? 1, 2 and 3. മൂന്നും സ്റ്റേറ്റ്മെന്റുകളും ശരിയാണ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Auditor or auditing firms appointed under Cooperative Societies Act shall complete audit within a period of dash months and within a period of dash months from the date of receipt of audit report. The director of cooperative audit shall issue audit certificate to the concerned society. Option D ആണ് correct answer. 4, 3. അടുത്ത question. When the auditor concludes that the financial statements given true and fair view of state of affairs of the business, then he will issue unqualified report. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following statements are true? First one, internal check is a part of internal control. Second one, internal control is a part of internal check. Third one, internal audit is a part of internal control. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. 1 and 3 only. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Every cooperative society shall call for a general meeting within a period of dash months from the end of the accounting year, and the maximum period of holding general meeting may be extended by the registrar of a maximum period of dash months. Option C ആണ് correct answer. 6, 3, 6, 3. അടുത്ത question. Ad hoc committee will be in power for a period of dash months from the date of registration. 3 months from the date of registration. Option C ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. As per the Kerala Cooperative Societies 2002, the total individual members in the federal society shall not exceed dash percentage of the total membership in the society. Option C ആണ് correct answer. 25% of the total membership in the society. അടുത്ത question. The maximum age limit for seeking membership in youth cooperative societies in Kerala is 45. അടുത്ത question. Every cooperative society shall file returns within dash months of the closure of every financial year before the registrar. 6 months of the closure of every financial year before the registrar. അടുത്ത question. Section dash of Cooperative Societies Act 1969 deals with the inquiry and section dash of Cooperative Societies Act 1969 deals with the dash inspection. Option B ആണ് correct answer. 64, 64, 65. അടുത്ത question. Who is the competent authority for appeal against an order passed by liquidator under section 73 of Cooperative Societies Act 1969? Registrar. Option C ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Section dash of Cooperative Societies Act 1969 deals with the revision of before the cooperative tribunal. Option B ആണ് correct answer. 84. അടുത്ത question. If the sale officer conducts a sale of movable property without notice, dash is the competent authority for appeal. Civil court. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. If a member of a cooperative society is expelled from membership, who is the competent authority to appeal? Authority of appeal competent government. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Section dash of Cooperative Societies Act 1969 deals with attachment before judgment. Option C ആണ് correct answer. 78. അടുത്ത question. As per Kerala Cooperative Societies Act, every society shall transfer not less than dash percentage of net profit to reserve fund. 25%. Option D ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Section 57B of Kerala Cooperative Societies Act deals with deposit guarantee scheme. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Section dash of Kerala Cooperative Societies Act deals with the restriction on rate of dividend. Option D ആണ് correct answer. 48 of Kerala Cooperative Societies Act deals with the restriction on rate of dividend. അടുത്ത question. Dash is the basis of on which affiliation fee payable by societies to state cooperative union is calculated. Option C ആണ് correct answer. Paid up share capital. Paid up share capital. അടുത്ത question. The maximum amount of share capital that can be raised by a cooperative society by issuing share is called nominal capital. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Arrange the following in chronological order. First one. The Royal Commission on Agriculture recommended the setting up of land mortgage banks 1928. Feminine Commission recommendation for establishment of Rural Agricultural Bank in 1901. The Mehta Committee appointed in 1937 specifically recommended reorganization of cooperative credit societies as multi-purpose cooperatives. Option A ആണ് correct answer. 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. അടുത്ത question. The Model Cooperative Bill of 1956. First one was conceived under the chairmanship of S.T. Raja. Second one gave emphasis on democratic governance. Third one restricted the freedom to actively engage in the market. Which among these statements are true? Option B ആണ് correct answer. Only 1 and 2 are true. അടുത്ത question. Statement 1, statement 2. Which among the following are true about this statement? Option C ആണ് correct answer. Both statements are true, but statement 2 is not the correct explanation of statement 1. അടുത്ത question. The registration of a cooperative society shall stand cancelled and the cooperative society shall be deemed to have been dissolved and shall cease to exist as a cooperative body. First one. When the part of the assets and liabilities of such cooperative society are transferred to another cooperative society, or when such cooperative society divides itself into 2 or more cooperative societies. Which among 2 statements are right? Option D ആണ് correct answer. Only statement 2 is right. അടുത്ത question. As per the Multi-State Cooperative Societies Act 1984, who has the authority to issue the certificate of registration? Central Registrar. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. In Kerala Cooperative Societies Amendment Act 2023, which section was amended to include administrative audit? Section 2. Option A ആണ് correct answer. Match the following. Column 1, column 2. അതിൻ്റെ അകത്ത് first Reserve Bank notes issued. Second one, London office of the Reserve Bank set up. Third one, RBI ceased to function as the Central Bank of Pakistan. Fourth one, introduction of exchange controls in India under Defence of India rules. Match the events in column 1 with the years in column 2. ഏതാണ് ശരി ഉത്തരം? ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ്. ഓപ്ഷൻ സി ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. 1 സി, 2 ഡി, 3 എ, 4 ബി. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. മാച്ച് ദ ഫോളോയിങ്. ലിസ്റ്റ് 1, ലിസ്റ്റ് 2. ഏതാണ് ലിസ്റ്റ് 1, 2, 3, 4 4 ഉണ്ട്. അതിനകത്ത് 1 ഡി, 2 സി, 3 എ, 4 ബി. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Statement 1 and statement 2. In light of the above statements, choose the most appropriate answer. Option D ആണ് correct answer. Statement 1 is incorrect and statement 2 is correct. അടുത്ത question. Assertion A, credit creation by banks leads to an increasing in the money supply in the economy. Reason are, when banks provide loans, the money is deposited bank into the banking system, creating additional deposits. From the above assertion and reasoning, choose the most appropriate answer. Option A is correct answer. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. അടുത്ത question. Match the following. List 1, list 2. എങ്ങനെയാണ് മാച്ച് ചെയ്യുന്നത്? ഫസ്റ്റ് വൺ C, second one A, third one D, fourth one B. Option C ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Which section of the RBI Acts provides the right to issue bank notes and prescribes the form of the notes? Option A ആണ് correct answer. Section 22 and 25. അടുത്ത question. Statement 1 and statement 2. Assertion to which principles the statement relate to? Both relate to banking principles. Statement 1, this principle is inflationary in nature. Second one, statement 2, this principle does not command public confidence. ഏതാണ് ആൻസർ? ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ്. ബോത്ത് റിലേറ്റ്സ് ടു ബാങ്കിങ് പ്രിൻസിപ്പിൾസ്. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. മാച്ച് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഓഫ് RBI. 1, പെർഫോംസ് മെർച്ചന്റ് ബാങ്കിങ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ ഫോർ ദ സെൻട്രൽ ആൻഡ് സ്റ്റേറ്റ് ഗവൺമെന്റ്സ്. ചേരുന്നതാണ് ഓപ്ഷൻ ഡി ആണ്. ബാങ്കർ ടു ഗവൺമെന്റ്. സെക്കൻഡ് വൺ, ഫെസിലിറ്റേറ്റ് എക്സ്റ്റേണൽ ട്രേഡ് ഓഫ് ആൻഡ് പേയ്മെന്റ്. ഏതാണ് ചേരുന്നത്? സി അല്ലേ? മാനേജ്മെന്റ് ഓഫ് ഫോറിൻ എക്സ്ചേഞ്ച്. തേർഡ് വൺ, മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ പബ്ലിക് കോൺഫിഡൻസ് ഇൻ പേയ്മെന്റ് ആൻഡ് സെറ്റിൽമെന്റ് സിസ്റ്റം. ഏതാണ് ചേരുന്നത്? ബി. റെഗുലേറ്ററി ആൻഡ് സൂപ്പർവൈസറി റോള്. മെയിൻറ്റെയിനിങ് പ്രൈസ് സ്റ്റെബിലിറ്റി ഫോർ എ, മോണിറ്ററി അതോറിറ്റി. ഓപ്ഷൻ എ ആണ് കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. അടുത്ത ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ. Statement 1 and statement 2. Analyze these statements and choose the correct answer. Option D ആണ് correct answer. Only statement 2 is correct. The Imperial Bank of India was formed by merging the 3 presidential banks. അടുത്ത question. How many banks were nationalized in the year 1980? 6. Option D ആണ് correct answer. Assertion A, reason R. From the above assertion and reasoning, choose the most appropriate answer. Option A ആണ് correct answer. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. അടുത്ത question. Match the equity proportion of RRBs. First one, central government. Second one, state government. Third one, sponsor bank. Right side, A 35%. Option B 50%. Option C 15%. Option B ആണ് correct answer. 1 B. Central government 50%. State government 15%. Third one, sponsor bank ഏതാണ്? 35%. What was the recommendation of Narasimhan Committee regarding the rating of SLR and CRR? Option C ആണ് correct answer. To reduce both so that to improve the resource basis of banks. അടുത്ത question. Name the banks which are merged with the Bank of Baroda. Vijay Bank and Dena Bank. Option D ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Name the local area bank, the license of which was cancelled by RBI in 2020. Subhadra Local Area Bank Limited. Other question. Which committee recommended the formation of differentiated banks in India? Option A ആണ് correct answer. Nechikatte More Committee. Other question. Given below are two statements. Considering the both statement 1 and 2, choose the most appropriate answer. Statement 1 is correct and statement 2 is incorrect. Other question. In addition to the business of banking, a banking company may engage certain forms of other business. Identify the permitted business of banking company. First one, contracting for public and private loans and negotiating and issue the same. Second one, carrying on and transacting every kind of guarantee and identify business. Third one, deal in the buying and or selling or bartering of goods. Fourth one, undertaking the executing trust. Fifth one, undertaking the administration of estates as executor, trustee or otherwise. Option B ആണ് correct answer. 1, 2, 4, 5. 1, 2, 4, 5. Third question. Assertion A, reason R. From the above assertion and reasoning, choose the most appropriate answer about auditing of banking company. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Match the following sections of Banking Regulation Act 1949. Option B ആണ് correct answer. First one, section 17 D ആണ് answer. Reserve fund. Second one, section 36AE. ഏതാണ്? C ആണ് correct answer. Power of central government to acquire undertaking of banking companies in certain cases. അടുത്ത section 44A. A ആണ് answer. Amalgamation of banking companies. Fourth one, section 22. ഏതാണ്? B ആണല്ലേ. Licensing of banking companies. അടുത്ത question. Dash is an inter-branch of networking and data sharing platform that helps customers to cooperate their account from any city in India. Centralized banking solution. Option C ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. In Dash approach, the computerized branches of each city connected with the regional processor located at each such city. Cluster. Option D ആണ് correct answer. What is the age group for Atal pension? Between 18-40 years of age. അടുത്ത question. The revised rate of premium which will be debited for Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is Rs 436. അടുത്ത question. If a check bears a date that is earlier than the date on which it is presented to the bank is called antedated check. അടുത്ത question. The norm for banks aimed at mitigating the risk and strengthening the capital structure is Basel norms. Option A ആണ് correct answer. Dash is known as paperless banking. EFT. Option D ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Another name for electronic money is e-cash money. False. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Dash refers to delivery of financial services at affordable cost to the disadvantaged low income segments of the society. Option D ആണ് correct answer. Financial inclusion. അടുത്ത question. Dash is known as a cancellation of check. Opening of crossing. Option B ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. The result of increase in cash reserve ratio by RBI is decrease the supply of money in the economy. അടുത്ത question. Which among the following is not a function of RBI issuance of coins? Option B ആണ് correct answer. The applicability of Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 is the whole of India. Option A ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Bill of exchange is dealt in section dash of Negotiable Instrument Act. Section 5 of Negotiable Instrument Act. Option C ആണ് correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Which is the instrument that is entitled into period of grace? Option C ആണ് correct answer. A bill or not payable after sight. അടുത്ത question. The interim compensation shall be paid within dash from the date of order or within such further period not exceeding 30 days as many may be directed by the court. Option D ആണ് correct answer. 60 days. അടുത്ത question. What is the sponsor bank's share in regional rural banks? Option B ആണ് correct answer. 35%. അടുത്ത question. Self-help groups offer credit to rural households. Both A and B are correct. Both A ആണ് without collateral, B at a moderate rate of interest. Both A and B are correct. അടുത്ത question. The microfinance which is known as universal bank is Bandhan Financial Service Private Limited. അടുത്ത question. Which institute and initiated the microfinance movement in India? NABARD. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following monitors does not use backlighting? OLED monitors. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following memory components is associated with the real-time clock in a computer system? NVRAM. Option D ആണ് correct answer. Which of the following is considered as system software? All of the above. Device drivers, operating system, compilers, assemblers. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following statements are correct about process management? Only 1 and 3. 1 ഏതാണ്? Creating and deleting both user and system process. മൂന്നാമത്തെ ഏതാണ്? Providing mechanisms for process communication and synchronization. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following statement is correct about polymorphism in programming? Option A ആണ് correct answer. A function accepts different types number of arguments and behaves differently. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following IP address not designated for local area networks as per IETP regulations? Option B ആണ് correct answer. 126.0.0.1. Which of the following statement are correct about network device? 2 and 4. 2 ഏതാണ്? A switch can be considered as a multi-port bridge. Fourth one. Routers work is in layer 3 of the TCP/IP protocol suite. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following protocol is associated with email? SMTP. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following tags are present in HTML? EM, strong, embedded, TF. All of the above is correct answer. അടുത്ത question. Which of the following terms refers to a cyber attack where an attacker tries to compromise the security of a cryptographic system by analyzing the patterns and frequencies of the encrypted data without the encryption key? Cryptanalysis. അപ്പോൾ